Good day. Now we are solving another question on the limit of a function. Now we have limit of, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share to friends. Now we have lim of this one over x squared where x is approaching 0. Now the moment you do a direct substitution, when x is 0, the whole of this one will give us 0 squared, and 0 squared is the same as 0, which will make the whole thing undefined. So what you are going to do is to rationalize it. The numerator here is irrational because we have root of x squared plus 9 minus 3. This is irrational, so you have to look for rationalization. So on set, you were taught how to rationalize, but at this point we are going to rationalize the numerator. So how do we rationalize? We have to look for the conjugate of the numerator. The conjugate of this one, we have to make this one plus. Then we use the conjugate to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. Yes, that is from set. So we have lim of x approaching 0, root of x squared plus 9 minus 3 all over x squared. Now the conjugate for this one is the same. You make this the plus. So root of x squared plus 9 plus 3. So that is the conjugate. Root of x squared plus 9 plus 3. Now at this point, because we are rationalizing the numerator, you have to leave the denominator like that. Don't do anything about it. Just leave it. So then you focus on the numerator. Now the moment we multiply, this one becomes difference of 2 squared. Any expression and its conjugate becomes a difference of 2 squared. How do we do difference of 2 squared? It means the first one squared, the first expression squared minus the second expression squared divided by we multiply the denominator, this one times this. So we have the x squared multiplying root of x squared plus 9 plus 3. Now we are not supposed to simplify this one, just leave it like that. By all means, what is going to happen is that the numerator here will cancel the denominator and the x squared will go. Then you get your answer. Now so let's move on. So we have lim of x approaching 0. The square will cancel the square root, so we're going to get x squared then plus 9. Now at this point, 3 squared is the same as 9, so we have minus 9. Now all divided by the denominator, leave it like that. x squared into bracket root of x squared plus 9 plus 3. Now let's look at what is going to happen. 9 minus 9 is 0, so we have lim of x approaching 0. The numerator will now be s squared because 9 minus 9 is 0. Now the other one is s squared multiplying root of x squared plus 9 plus 3. Now at this point, the x squared here will cancel the numerator, x squared. So the whole thing will be lim of 1 divided by the denominator, x squared plus 9 plus 3, because the x squared has cancelled this x squared, which is 1. Now at this point, we can substitute the limit inside the expression. Now the limit is x is approaching 0, so we have 1 over root of, you see this x is approaching 0, 0 squared is still 0 plus 9 plus 3. So we are going to get 1 over root 9 plus 3. Now at this point, root 9 is a perfect square number. Root 9 will give us 3. So the whole thing will be 1 over 3 plus 3. Now 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is 1 over 6. Please don't forget to share. See you next time for the next video.